Let's write another method and name it getStudents. Make the method public. We want the method to return a list of student. So let's make list of student as return type. Call the contour context and create an instance. We see a duplication here. In the method postStudent and in the method getStudents. Let's solve this first using ReSharper. You may do this using ReSharper or manually, whatever you prefer. Let's right click on context local variable, select refactor and click on introduce field. Click on next. See, the field has been introduced. Now let's refactor postStudent method. Now let's call the students property of contour context and return it as toList. Now let's go to our AngularJS controller in contour.web project and write a method using $scope global object and name it getStudents. Let's call the HTTP GET verb and pass the API route along with host URL. Let's call the then method and pass an anonymous constructor function and let's pass a constructor param. Create an object using $scope global object and name it students and bind returned list of students with it. Now let's go to our student list view. Initialize the method using ng-init directive. Delete all the table row, leaving one. Here in tier, call the ng-repeat directive to iterate the student list. Let's get a student object in student list and print the value using double curly braces. Let's run the application. And go to student list. Great. We got our data. Now it's time to update our data. And for that, we need a edit form. Let's get the edit form in next lesson.